How long do I have to stay here, Optimus? Relax, it's only been like an hour. Yeah, be patient, Magician. You want to talk, Substitute Abomination? Well,
what?
Why'd you ditch us?
Hey, it's not my fault I had to ditch you. I didn't know. Well, I just need some room.
Room for what?
Room for the food, you know? We had to talk to Colt Cabana while we waited to be in the theater. And while we got into the theater, I got this legendary icon.
Yeah. Whoa, is that the popcorn bucket on me?
Yes, it is. It's a Transformers 1 popcorn bucket of Bumblebee, aka B-127. I got this at Cinemark, of course, because that's where I watched the movie. And besides being a cool head it's also a popcorn container. If you haven't got yours already, then go get tickets to see Transformers 1. It's out now, and the popcorn bucket's on sale today. Pick it up. It's kind of cool. It's like holding a large ball or somebody's head. Don't ask me how I know that. Anyways, full review coming soon.